Claude AI has leveled up. Let's dive into 10 powerful Claude features. First up, Claude can now create, read, and edit files and folders directly on your computer. That means you can ask it to spin up an entire project structure, edit code files, or organize your documents, all without you lifting a finger. It's like having an AI assistant who not only writes code but also manages your workspace. Next, you can fully customize how Claude responds. Want short and snappy answers? Need detailed, formal explanations for reports? No problem. Claude now adapts to your preferred style, making its responses more personal and aligned with your goal. Struggling with writing the perfect prompt? Claude has you covered. With a new prompt improver, you can take any rough prompt, and Claude will automatically refine it using advanced techniques like chain of thought reasoning. This ensures your outputs are clearer, smarter, and more accurate than ever. Imagine spotting issues in a project and instantly turning them into a detailed report. Claude can now take notes on errors, screenshots, or issues you highlight and compile them into a well-structured spreadsheet report. Perfect for project managers, developers, or anyone handling complex workflows. Here's a fun one: Claude can solve CAPTCHAs. Yes, those annoying little checks to prove you're human. With its new system control abilities, Claude can handle CAPTCHAs like a pro, saving you time and frustration when you just want to get things done. Claude now integrates seamlessly with Google Docs. You can grab content from your docs and instantly add it into projects, presentations, or even charts you're working on. No more copy-pasting or wasting time switching between apps. If you're into sports, you'll love this. Claude can fetch real-time sports stats directly on your iPhone app. From scores to match updates, you can stay in the loop without leaving your workflow. It's like your personal sports tracker built into your AI. One of the most impressive updates: Claude can now control your system. From opening apps to running commands, Claude acts like a voice-powered system manager. Imagine saying one line and having your computer execute a full workflow for you. For developers, this is huge. Claude can now create and manage GitHub repositories for you. Just tell it what project you're working on, and it sets up the repo, initializes files, and even pushes changes, turning hours of setup into seconds. And finally, Claude can browse the web and perform in-depth research. Need the latest articles, data, or references? Claude pulls it in real time, organizes the insights, and helps you handle research like a pro. So there you have it, 10 game-changing features that put Claude a step ahead. From coding and reports to sports updates and web browsing, Claude is proving to be more than just a chatbot. It's a true digital assistant. Which feature blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI updates.